Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mitsuko. So today I will show you how I did this look by using a few new goodies that I got from Sephora. So definitely keep watching. I like to start with my eyes, and I want to use the Eyeko pencils from Tom Ford. I have two shades. I have Metallic Moss and Metallic Mink. What should I do? I think I'm going to just prime my eyes with the NARS smudge proof eyeshadow base. I don't use this often because I like to prime my eyes with a concealer and then set it, but for this video I will be using the NARS. I will start with a Metallic Mink, which is the brown. Pretty shade. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I think I'll just go in. And the base is dry, so if you're wondering. I want to go for something really smoky, so I'll just put that. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna blend it anyway, so I'll just put that all over this area of my lid. And so far so good. It looks pretty chocolate. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm going to use the Makeup Forever brush 242, like that, and then smudge that. Feels like I'm blending a cream eyeshadow. I'm not mad at it. At least it's blending. The lighting is a little bit different just because I feel like the lighting was washing out my eyeshadow. Like you couldn't really tell what I had, so I had to open it up a bit. Anyway, so I'll just do the other eye. So what I'm doing is just creating the shape where I want most of the basically the liner. Okay. And then I'll blend that in. In person, it looks darker than what the camera is actually picking up. I like it. I really do. I will have to go on Sephora and see if this comes in other shades. When I purchased these two, they were on sale and they were the only ones that were available, the only two shades. So hopefully Sephora stocks them again because I need more. I'll go in with the other shade, which is Metallic Moss. And I will put Metallic Moss right here. Okay, going in with the same one. I didn't clean it. I'll just blend just to mesh the two together. I mean, the color payoff is there. Look at the green. The green is just, it's there, it's showing up. The green understood the assignment. Okay, I'll add more of the green. Tell me it's not cute. Don't keep it to yourself. I don't want to know. If it's not cute, don't tell me. That's the thing, when you start with your eyes and the face isn't done yet. Am I the only one? Comment down below if this happens to you. When you start your makeup, do you start with your eyes or do you start with your base? This isn't new, but I will be using the Milk Hydro Grip as my primer, and this primer is awesome. I use maybe a pump and a half. I want my skin to be, I don't want to wear a full coverage foundation, so I'll go in with the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop in the number 20. This isn't new. I've tried it before and I like it, and I will be using my hands for this. And you can use a brush, a sponge to apply this. I've always applied it with my fingers and I guess I like it, so that's what I do. So I will be using the Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. This is new. Just enough. It smells like glue. Yeah, it smells a little bit like glue, but it's okay. So this I actually really like. It is very smooth and creamy. And it did a good job at covering my dark circles. So I'm gonna go in with the Translucent Honey from Laura Mercier. And I just wanna lightly set. Okay, so today I don't wanna contour. But I really want to try this blush from Melt, which is the cream blush light in Sandy Cheeks from Melt. I'll just take a little bit and put that here. You can't even tell I have it on. You can't even see it. You can't tell at all. This is ridiculous. I'll put a little bit here. Okay, if you are my skin tone or darker, don't bother. Don't try it. I mean, try it if you want, but this is just not working. It's not showing up on my skin and it looks ashy in person. I'm just putting it because I already have it on my face and I just want to, I mean, you can tell, and I put a lot. Yeah, you can barely see it. Anyway, so that's that. I want to go in first with my bronzer. So I have two shades from Fenty. I have Thick Mint and I also have Coconutty, and these are the Sunstalkers. Thick Mint, and then this is Coconutty. And I think for this look, I want to go in with Coconutty. So let's try it. So I'll use my Marc Jacobs, the bronze brush. So I'll see if the Fenty bronzer can add a little bit of warmth. You know. It's getting there, it's getting there. I'm happy that it's not really red. That's what I'm happy about, because I really wanted to get a bronzer that is, you know, that gives you that sun-kissed look without the redness that comes with it. I don't know if it's my lighting that's washing it out so much. Okay, I think my lighting is better now. Sorry about that, it keeps changing. I'm filming with natural lighting. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of the Thick Mint just right here. I'll use the same brush. Just a little bit more. Okay, just doing it. Okay, I'll just add a little bit more there too. My forehead. Just define that area. Not baking. I just wanted to show a little bit more, and then I'll blend that because it's looking a little bit harsh. So I want to go in and finish my eyes. So I'll do the same thing, and I'll go in with the chocolate color, which is metallic mink, and then I'll smoke my underline, my bottom lash line. Then I'll use my new brush from Marc Jacobs. This is a smudge brush. Okay, and I want it to be like pretty blown out, so I'm just gonna keep blending that. Do we like it? Yes. Don't tell me if you don't. Oof, this is beautiful. Super nice. I'll go in with Freck, which is from Freck Beauty. And let's try it. So I'll start with my nose bridge. Dab a little bit. And then with your finger, you dab. No, I like splattered it. Oh, it's okay. I think I can. It's fine. I'll leave it like that. So I'll put a little bit more here. And this time I'll be more cautious. So I'll just dab and then dab here. I mostly put it on my nose bridge. I like it. So my brows are done. I'm gonna go in with the Coconutty and then put that, just use the same brush and put that right there. Cute. The eyes are pretty much done. The face is as well. I'm happy with what it looks like. I'm gonna go in with Format. Can you even see it? Format by MAC. Because Melt wasn't doing much for me, so I'm gonna go with that. So blush is on. Okay, I'll go with the bronze from ABH. Just a little bit of glow, not too much. This setting spray is awesome because the nozzle is amazing. It spread evenly the product onto my face. Also, it did not irritate my eyes and the smell isn't strong at all. So I like this. Now, I don't know if it performs well, but I'll have to try that another time. I don't know exactly what happened after I sprayed my face with the setting spray, but my freckles looked a little bit too red and looked darker as well, so I went over everything with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Lip combo moment. So I'm going in with the MAC lipstick in Photo, then the Fenty Mademoiselle in Up to No Good, and then lining my lids with the Chestnut lip pencil from MAC. Okay, so the final look. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Now I want to know, out of all the new products that I tried, which one is your favorite? If I had to pick, it would probably have to be between the eye kohl pencils from Tom Ford or the Freck Beauty. I mean, my eyes are super nice. The freckles completely different for me, and I like both, so I can't pick. Now, thanks again for watching my video, and then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.